Exciting update to the portfolio calculator. I have it all set up here with the latest results through the 25th. And one of the things you can do here now is you can select which portfolio you want to take a look at. You can use the drop down menu. If I select this, it automatically updates here. You give it a second, you see all the numbers updated. So this is the 19 system stock index portfolio for 19 strategies that we talked about in our recent webinar. And you can use the 38 system version. And you can also take a look at the 200K portfolio for 2020 and the updates related to that. This has the best total profit over a drawdown and fastest recoveries in the drawdown curve, and you can take a look at that. It does require more capital because you're trading more strategies in more markets, 44 combinations in general. And you can also look at the 25K to 50K portfolio. We have the webinar for that. And you can select that and see where you are. You can look at the previous years. Right now I'm going to be adding the other previous years for records. So that's the drop down menu. If you want to customize this, you can download this. I'm going to show you where you can download this portfolio calculator spreadsheet, and you can play with all the presets here. Now if you decide you want to customize it, it will affect your ability to use the drop down menu because these have formulas in them to make it easy to do that. So what you'll do is you'll save it as. So you'll go File, Save As Another Portfolio Spreadsheet, and then you can change all these numbers to customize it and match up what you want. And so I would just go ahead and copy, or not copy and paste, but select all of these and then hit delete. So they all go to 0 and all the formulas go to 0, and then you customize it. Once you save this as another file name, you can always, if you mess this up, you can always re-download it. So I'm going to show you where you can download this. You can download this and play with it, the different presets, and then you can customize it. And if you mess it up, you can just go back here and download it again. Market portfolios, portfolio calculator, click on this. I'm about to upload it here, and so the update will show through December the 25th, 2019. So I'm excited about that. Makes it easy to figure out what is going on and with all the different portfolios, the presets, and the way I get this data into Excel is these output indicators at the bottom. Export those on a daily basis, and it's the most efficient way I know how to do this. I've copied and pasted the data for all but December, for all but the current month, and then I open these workspaces or have them open, and then I import the month of December's data into these into the Excel spreadsheet, and we can do quick calculations. Otherwise, you have to have, there's 62 windows with all these workspaces open, so I have 62 different strategies in here, and I can't have them all open at once going back to as far as I have. We have some of these going back to 1997 and in the data in 2001 for some in the NASDAQ, and 2007, 2008 for some of the commodity markets that started trading electronically. And to have all these workspaces going back that many years open at the same time would cause it to crash. And so we have the most recent 7 to 12 months in the TradeStation workspace, and that's the daily data that's exported. The previous data has been copied and pasted into Excel, and so that's how I do that, just for those that are curious. It makes it quick to do portfolio calculations, to update it daily. If I had to go back all the way to 1997 on some of these, or 2001, they would take forever. It would not be possible to update it daily. So if you need an updated portfolio calculator, contact me. It's got all the data with slippage and commission, so you have all the trades, not all the trades, but this is a combined equity curve analysis. It doesn't include trade analysis. We have that in each individual strategy performance report, but this is the combined equity curve analysis, and you see that here. The formulas for the import have been copied and pasted as values, and so they're VLOOKUP formulas, and since you don't have the data on your end, I've copied and pasted those as values. And so the master spreadsheet has VLOOKUPs, and so maybe one day, if there are enough of you that are interested in knowing how this works to customize it, I will create a video or webinar on how to set up your own portfolio calculator. So Once again, that is the latest update for the stock index portfolio, 200K portfolio, 25K portfolio for 2020 in the portfolio calculator setup.